The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, a stunning display of rugged elegance, stands proudly in the heart of an opulent showroom. Its powerful design speaks volumes, military-inspired elements blended seamlessly with modern sophistication. The motorcycle, with its matte finish and bold lines, conveys an aura of strength and resilience, making it the centerpiece of the luxurious space. As the soft lights of the showroom reflect off its polished surfaces, the contrast between its rugged build and the sleek, contemporary surroundings is striking. The showroom itself is an embodiment of luxury. Marble floors gleam under the ambient lighting, while chrome accents and high-end finishes elevate the entire space. The design of the room emphasizes the bike's commanding presence, with large windows letting in natural light, casting soft glows that highlight the contours of the bike. Behind the motorcycle, the walls are tastefully decorated, with minimalistic yet elegant displays that make the Guerrilla 450 the undeniable star of the space. A sophisticated sign mounted on the wall reads, "Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, in a contemporary font, adding a touch of class. The name of the bike, paired with the elegant surroundings, further elevates the feeling of exclusivity that the showroom offers. The showroom, with its blend of modernity and luxury, creates the perfect environment for such a machine, powerful, exclusive, and beautiful. The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, with its unmistakable presence, stands as a symbol of both form and function, where strength meets sophistication in the most luxurious setting.